Here's a simple step-by-step guide to creating a TikTok account. Go to the App Store, the iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Search for TikTok and install the app on your device. Once installed, open the TikTok app by tapping on its icon. Tab Agree and continue. Choose your interests, get better video recommendations and tab on Next. Choose App Language and tap on Next. Swipe up or tab on Start Watching. Swipe up for more videos. Select Profile and tap on Login. You have multiple ways to sign up with phone or email. Or you can sign up using Facebook, Google, Twitter, or Apple ID for iOS. Select Sign Up. If signing up via phone number or email, enter your phone number or email address, then press Next. Create a password. Make sure your password is strong and unique. Choose your birth date and click on Next. If you want to save your password to Google, press Save or Not Now, then click Allow. Create nickname. Make sure your nickname is unique and reflects your personality or brand. Then click on Confirm. Select OK and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then choose Edit Profile. Add a profile photo and complete the details like bio, username, etc. You can link your Instagram or YouTube account to your TikTok profile if desired. You're all set. Now you can start browsing content, following creators, and creating your own TikToks by tapping the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you.